Good afternoon, good night, or good morning, wherever you are in the world. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. The video's done, but before we start the video, I just want to say my name is Moises Ortiz. I'm from Lauderdale Seventh-day Adventist Church, and a few weeks ago, our church and different churches around the United States went on this cruise from Florida to the Bahamas to Dominican Republic, Turks and Caicos, and we did mission work every single day when we landed, when we docked. My bad. And throughout the whole day we did a lot of mission work, and this is a little snippet on what happened on our mission trip. And hopefully you guys stay tuned towards the end because I'll be announcing next cruise for 2020. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Chase down a brand new adventure. Step up, step out and into.
Hands down the coolest thing I've gotten to do this entire trip.
This is the greatest name.
You risk it all, you learn to feel alive. Oh, searching for new life. Dreams on the horizon, our fears leave them behind us now. You risk it all, you learn to feel alive.
Great mission. Mission. It's calling now, the wild is calling. No time, oh, the wild is calling. No time, oh, searching for new life.
Today we were cleaning, we were moving things all over the place, and we had a big group of people to do it. We had a group from Laguna, obviously, and the whole cruise with the mission. I think we had 23 people here today, and we had this awesome lunch. Had the awesome yellow rice with some eggplant and some salad. It kept us healthy. We were here for about how many hours?
Like over 4.
Like 4.5, 5 hours maybe. And man, we painted all like 5 or 6 rooms. And man, what else did we do?
It was a lot. Moved the painted rooms, cleaned up a lot, and just hung out with like a few kids. Not a lot of kids, but a few kids.
You guys would be proud of your missionaries. They worked hard, we're exhausted, we're sore, and now we need a shower.
And then we're on to the next stop, which is Keys West.
Key West on Saturday. We're gonna be with all the kids hanging out, distributing more saddles, I think, and it'll be fun.
Awesome.
There is another
y apriétese.
And we hold tight.
Ese es
Squeeze.
el abrazo que le envía a través de los hermanos a cada uno de ustedes.
And that's the hug that we send with each of you.
Now, I'm going to say a few nice things about our pastor here,
Gracias, caballero.
Joel. He has 8 churches.
Wow. Privilegiado
We feel very privileged
con la presencia de cada uno de ustedes.
with each one of your present,
El trabajo excelente que han hecho
the excellent work each of you have done,
y la bendición de compartir en camaradería cristiana.
and the blessing of fellowship between Christians one-on-one.
Así que nuestra oración por ustedes
So our prayer for each of you,
es que Dios haga placentero su viaje
that God blesses your trip,
y regresen gozosos a sus hogares.
and each of us return to our homes joyful and happy.
Y al final del tiempo
And at the end of time,
nos encontremos en el reino de los cielos.
we meet each other once again in heaven.
Pongo una mano aquí.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. There was a lot of blood, sweats, and tears, literally blood, because one of our teammates, Josh Pardo, got cut up pretty bad on his arm. I didn't get footage of that because we're trying to help him get better, but he's doing a lot better. And 2020, we are going to Alaska. Yes, Alaska. It's gonna be a little cold, but with the Holy Spirit, anything could be possible. And hopefully you guys can make it. There's gonna be a link where you can register. Any young adults out there or older young adults, invite them, share this video with them, and then hopefully see you there. Have a great day. Cheers.